Smartwatch style is around 4 by 4 centimeters, and the hearing aid's width is no more than 2 centimeters, and only Bluetooth headset only 1.5 by 1.5 centimeters. Do you know how little the internal components of these smart wearable items are?
LW125C2 welding machine with precision circular assembly line is widely used in the field of precision welding, smart wearing industry, internal components precision welding. Minimum focus spot diameters 0.2 to 0.6 millimeters, capacity per hour 500 pieces.